Welcome to English with Shams. In order to speak fluent English and express yourself in best way, you have to understand and practice important aspects of English language like grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, and communication. In our course, 30 Days English Speaking Challenge, these aspects are explained in detail with examples. In this video, you will learn modal verbs in English language.
A modal verb is a type of auxiliary verb. Auxiliary means helping verb that is used with other verbs to express modality, that is likelihood, possibility, ability, permission, obligation, future intention, certainty, necessity, and so on. A modal verb is a type of auxiliary verb. Anyone would like to give examples of auxiliary verb or helping verb? We used a number of helping verb in different sentences. Anyone would like to give some examples of helping verbs? Like in case of present continuous tense, is helping verb is used, are is there, am, right? Similarly, in past, was, were, in future, will, right? So see, these are the examples of helping verbs. So what it says, a modal verb is a type of auxiliary, that is helping verb, that is used with other verbs to express modality. So similarly, if you remember, while making sentences, we used a number of helping verbs like am, was, shall be, like this, right? So these helping verbs. So these helping verbs with main verb, right, is a main verb. So a modal verbs are also used with main verb. A modal verb is a type of auxiliary verb that is used with other verbs to express modality. Like here in this example, helping verb with main verb. All right. So similarly, modal verbs with main verb is used. So a modal verb is a type of auxiliary, or in other words, or the synonym is helping verb, that is helping verb that is used with other verbs to express modality. What is modality? Means like likelihood, possibility, ability, permission, obligation, future intention, right? Certainty, necessity, and so on. For example, let's look at some example. Modal verbs are also sometimes called modals. So they do not need additional auxiliary in negative or questions. Now, here I have listed out modal verbs like can, could, may, might, should, must, ought. All right. Shall, will, would. So these are modal verbs. Can. Let's use this one, can. So this modal verb is used to express ability, permission, offers, a concept. Example, by using modal verb can. Julie can swim. That is the ability, which is showing ability. So we can say Julie is able to swim, right? In other words, or if you say Julie can swim means he is able to swim, she is able to swim. So that meaning you can take. So word can is used as a modal verb to express ability. Whether Julie is able to swim or not. So Julie can swim. Similarly, if we are trying to express permission for can modal verb, so can you see, can I come with you? So may this modal verb is also used. So can I come with you? It's like asking for permission. So it is also used, for offers. Like, can I help you? Here, you are offering your help. You are trying to help, a person. Can I help you in this regard? All right. So you see the meaning of modal verb can is to express ability, permission, offers. Similarly, could. So could is used to express possibility, past ability, right? So can is for present ability. Past is for past ability. Could is for past ability. Permission, requests. So we will compare them as well in the next topic. So possibility, that story could be true. You see here, could be true. It's a possibility that that story, may be true. Who knows? That story could be true. Who knows? To express possibility. So if we don't hurry, we could be late. If we don't hurry, there is a possibility that we will be late. To express possibility. Could, past ability. Julie could swim when she was four years old. So actually, past ability to show past. This is present. Julie can swim, but Julie could swim when she was 4 years old, to express past ability. Permission. Permission. To express permission. Could I use your phone, please? Requests. Could you tell me the way to the station, please? So here to express request. Now, next modal verb, may. To express possibility, to express permission. So you see here, could is also is used to express possibility, permission. Even can is also used for possibility and permission. We will do some comparison later. So may, to express possibility. So like, the president may come to visit our offices tomorrow if the meeting finishes before 5 p.m. So here in this sentence, possibility is expressed that the president may come to visit our offices tomorrow if the meeting finishes before 5 p.m. Permission. So may is also used to express permission. So may I borrow your dictionary? Here asking for permission. Might. Slight possibility. We might win a prize, but I doubt it. Might, past form of may in reported speech. The president said he might come. So it's a may is a past form of, sorry, might is a past form of may in reported speech. Right? Direct speech and indirect, that is reporting speech, we discussed. Should, to express advice or logical deduction. So you should take an umbrella. It is starting to rain. Here, advice is being, given that you should take an umbrella. It is starting to rain. Logical deduction. John has revised all day. He should be ready for his exam. So you see the logical, that must, obligation. I must go now. Must. Strong belief. She must be over 90 years old. So it's like strong belief or quite confident to express. So by using word must, here expressing a strong belief or confident. Similarly, ought to. This is for advice and same thing, like similar to should. You ought to write to your grandmother. Here is $30. That ought to be enough for a taxi. All right. Shall. Offers and suggestions with I and we. So like, shall I order a taxi? Shall we begin the meeting now? So it means offers and suggestions with a pronoun, first person pronoun, singular I and plural we. Will. Future tense auxiliary. It is for future tense auxiliary. Will is used as a helping verb in future tense. Tomorrow I will be in New York. Will is also used for invitations and offers. Like, will you join us for coffee? Here, invite, it is being in invitation. Won't you come in? Right? Then we have would to express request or offer. So say if sentence, that is for conditional. Would you like a cup of tea? Request or offer. If I were you, I would say sorry. So this one is if sentence for conditions. Okay. So these are few of the uses we have seen related to modal verbs. The modals are used to show that we believe something is certain, probable, or possible. Okay. Now, to express possibility, we use the modals could, might, and may to show that something is possible in the future, but not certain. So they might come later. So here, might is used to express perhaps, or maybe they will come later. Similarly, may is also used. They may come by car, perhaps. Maybe they will come by car. If we don't hurry, we could be late. It could be. So it's perhaps or maybe we will be late. Okay. To express probability, could, might, and may are used. So we use could have, might have, and may have to show that something was possible now and at some time in the past. Like, it's 10 o'clock. They might have arrived now. They could have arrived hours ago. We use the modal can to make general statements about what is possible. So it can be very cold in winter. So it is sometimes very cold in winter. So another sentence which we can express. So instead of can be, you see here sometimes. All right. So it is sometimes very cold in winter. So you can easily lose your way in the dark. People often lose their way in the dark, right? So we use the modal could as the past tense of can. It could be very cold in winter. Sometimes it was very cold in winter. So you could lose your way in the dark. All right. To express possibility, could, might, and may, these modal verbs are used. To express impossibility, we use the negative can't or cannot. This is the short form, this is the full form, to show that something is impossible. Like, that cannot be true. You cannot be serious. So we use couldn't not or could. We use could not, which is so. This is short form couldn't. The long form is could not to talk about the past. We use could not to talk about the past. So he knew it could not be true. Okay. He was obviously joking. He could not be serious. All right. So you see here the use of impossibility, then probability is there. We use the modal must, this word, as a modal verb to show we are sure something to be true and we have reasons for our belief. Like it's getting dark, it must be quite late. So here it is expressing, probability. You have not eaten all day, you must be hungry. All right. We use must have for the past, these two words as a modal verb. They had not eaten all day. They must have been hungry. Must have. You see here, must, then been is added to make this sentence in passive voice. So you look happy, you must have heard the good news. So you see here to show possibility. Let me take, yeah, to express ability. You can, we use can to talk about sometimes someone's skills or generic abilities. Like she can speak several languages. He can swim like a fish. So this is to express ability. Similarly, to express permission, we use can to ask for permission to do something. For example, can I ask a question, please? Or can we go home now? So these are the examples of permission. Similarly, may, right? May is another more formal and polite way of asking for permission. May I ask a question, please? May we go home now? So these are the sentences. So you can see we can use can and give, one of these words as modal verbs for permission. So we can use can to give permission. So you can go home now if you like. You can borrow my pen if you like. Okay. May, however, may is a more formal and polite way of giving permission. So, so let's say you may go home now if you like. Yeah, that is right. So we use can to say that someone has permission to do something. So we can go out and whatever we want. Students can arrive. Students can travel free. So here, some examples I have provided. Please go through so and try to understand, take into consideration different scenarios.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos, provide your comments, follow us and practice to enhance your English fluency.